My name is Dylan Laksamana from Tarlac City, Philippines. I am one of the 10 pamangkins or nephews and nieces of Auntie Sweat, and together with my sister Karen, the only ones based here. I've had the chance to visit Auntie Sweat and the family 3 times in DeLand, Florida in 2006, 2008, and 2016 as my parents, Jose Jr. and Charity Laksamana, briefly lived in Florida. Auntie Sweat spent the first 2 decades of her life here before she migrated to the US. She visited the Philippines often as her parents, Jose Sr. and Gloria, my grandparents, lived here. She probably visited the Philippines at least once every 3 to 5 years. She continued to visit the Philippines even after both their parents passed away. How do I want to remember Auntie Sweat? Just remember the acronym SWEAT. SWEAT means Sunshine State, US Dollar Tree Store, Endearment, and Tarlac. Sunshine State. Earlier, I mentioned that Auntie Sweat lived in the Philippines for the first 2 decades of her life and the last 5.5 in Florida. I don't know much about Auntie Sweat's early life in the US as I was too young then, and all I know is that she lived most of her life in DeLand, Florida. US Dollar Tree Store. I know there's one nearby. I mentioned that we visited Auntie Sweat in DeLand 3 times in the last 2 decades, and she always brings me to the Dollar Tree Store, where we find bargains that we don't actually need. In fact, some of the things that I bought with her in this store in 2006, I have not used until now. Auntie Sweat and I need to have a seminar with Marie Kondo on decluttering. Endearment. My father, Jose Jr., who passed away in DeLand, Florida in May 5, 2008, is the third eldest in the family, after Auntie Ida and Uncle Pong. Auntie Sweat is the fourth in the family, so my father calls her Aling, or in Filipino means baby sister. Auntie Sweat is an ate to Uncle Reggie and Uncle Dan. T means Tarlac City, Philippines, Auntie Sweat's hometown, which is 9,000 miles from DeLand, Florida. She was born, raised, and educated in Tarlac at the College of the Holy Spirit and studied college at the University of Santo Tomas in Manila. Auntie Sweat and I had an LDR, or a long-distance relationship, but not the romantic type, just as an auntie and her nephew. She doesn't fail to message me during my birthdays, Father's Day, and special occasions, and I do the same during her birthdays and message her during hurricanes. Our last conversation was when she congratulated me and my son, Kobe, on passing the Philippine bar exam for lawyers. I told her it's actually a Laksamana family honor because he's the first lawyer in the family. I also greeted her on her last birthday in November. Thank you for the memories, Auntie Sweat. We will miss you. We will continue to pray for you. Rest in peace.